Luis Ortega.
How do you do, Miss Wright? It is my pleasure. It was a misunderstanding, perhaps. Very strange. You tour with a rigged internet, and then you accept an invitation from a man you've never seen. You become the shocked little virgin, and you disappear.
Told me that you had some guest who had chartered a plane to go to the United States. I believed him.
Nobody believed. I find you very attractive, and I'm a generous man. I'm still waiting for your answer. Don't ridicule.
No, I don't have your father. I don't have your house.
Who else was on my jet? Where is he? Where was he going? His first aid kit, standard equipment, and the Peace Corps. Sulfur powder. If I find that you lied to me, I'll see to it that the Peace Corps is thrown out of every country in Latin America.